is a simple story about an older woman. She had 3 sons and brought up a beautiful canary. She put him in a cage hanging by a nail. She used to talk to him like a dear friend. The canary used to jump from place to another inside the cage. He usually sings many wonderful songs. He was a perfect company. People believe that birds have heartless, cold little creatures. She used to look at the evening star, but when she had this wonderful canary, she forgot the evening star. One day, she found him lie on his back with his eye dim. She knew he died. She decided not to have another bird, another pet of any kind. Number 1. The Canary was written by Catherine Mansfield. Number 2. The author of The Canary was Catherine Mansfield. Number 3. The woman bought the canary from a Chinaman. Number 4. What did the woman in The Canary suffer from? She suffered from loneliness. Number 5. How does the story of the canary end? It ends sadly when the canary died. Number 6. You can't imagine how wonderfully he sang. He referred to the canary. Number 7. What was the canary to the woman? The canary was like her son. Number 8. The woman described the canary as a perfect company. Number 9. What were the people carried away by? They were carried away by the canary singing. Number 10. What did the canary do to attract the attention of his owner? The canary used to hop and hop from one perch to another, tap against the bars and sip a little water. Number 11. When the woman said, "When I found him lying on his back with his eyes dim," she meant he was dead. Number 12. Where did the woman in The Canary used to hang the canary cage? It's on the right of the front door. Number 13. How was the canary singing? The canary was singing wonderfully. Number 14. In The Canary, what did the washerwoman used to say every Monday? Why, Mrs. didn't keep a nice fox terrier. There's no comfort in a canary. Number 15. The nail to the right of the front door brought back the sweet memories of the bird to the woman. True or false? Number 16. The woman was happy to have the canary because she lived a lonely or an unlonely life. Number 17. People have the idea that birds are heartless and cold little creatures. True, false? Number 18. How did the canary greet his owner in the morning? The canary greeted his owner with a drowsy little note. Number 19. Was the canary perfect company to the woman? Yes, it was. Number 20. What did the woman in The Canary used to see from the window? She used to see people stop at the gate to listen. Number 21. In The Canary, the woman was very sad because her canary died. Number 22. Why did the woman's heart feel hollow? Her heart felt hollow when she saw her canary died. Number 23. Could the woman in The Canary have another bird? Why? No, she couldn't because she loved that bird. Number 24. The woman forgot the evening star when Canary came into her life.